Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Nordic ID HH8 Series Barcode Reader and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the barcode reader is not responding, or if it's not connecting, or if it's frozen, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you're trying to set it up on a new device and repair it, this can be a good step in that process. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn it off, and then you're going to turn it on while holding the button on the right side of the thing, and that will put it into its recovery menu, into the fast boot mode. From the fast boot mode, you can select recovery mode, and then when you get to the no command stage, you'll just hold the power button for a few seconds, and that will enter you to the recovery mode. From there, you can click to factory reset wipe data, and then you'll have to confirm it, and then it will restart, and it will restart like it did when it came out of the box.